Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and for today's barbecue recipe, we are making a really easy and simple potato salad that you can pair with anything else that you're barbecuing. So if you guys love barbecue recipes, if you love summer recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing I did was take a big pot of water, I brought it to a boil, and then I added my baby potatoes to it. I did cut up my baby potatoes just so that it's a little bit more of bite-sized pieces. So while that's going on behind me, I'm gonna work on the sauce. So I've got some mayo and Dijon mustard. To that, I'm going to add in some olive oil, and then there's some red wine vinegar as well. And then a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, and give that a good mix. Okay, so I also have some fresh chives from my garden that I'm gonna add. And then some red onions that I've chopped up really finely. And just gonna mix that in too. And now I'm just gonna let this kind of marinate away while my potatoes boil. All right, so my potatoes are done. I have pulled them out of the hot water, drained them, and then I did let them chill a little bit in the fridge just to kind of speed up the cooling process. But you do ideally wanna wait until they're pretty nice and cool. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add in the rest of the ingredients and then I'll stick it back in the fridge. But I've got some celery here that I've chopped finely, and I just like adding this for the extra crunch. And then I'm going to add in that really nice marinade we made, the dressing. And then give this a good mix. All right, that looks beautiful. And now you would just taste for salt and pepper and add that if needed. But I think I'm good, so I'm gonna add in a little bit in my bowl here. And then also what you could do is you could potentially mash a little bit of these to give it a little bit of a creamy consistency. I kind of like my potato salad in chunks like this, so it's really up to you. I'm gonna add some to my little bowl here, and then do a taste test. All right, this is absolutely delicious. The potatoes are perfectly cooked. They just have a tiny bit of a bite, which I like. And then the crunch from the celery is just, I love it. I love adding any type of crunch to my potato salad. So whether that be celery, bell pepper, cucumbers, whatever, I think the crunch is just really good. So if you guys love potato salads, if you love summer recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced. Mm-mm-mm.